Let me show you how you can navigate CapCut watermark and caption fee and produce videos without watermark but well captioned that you can use on any social media platform. Let's see this. First, we come to CapCut and open the video we want to edit. Now, the next thing you have to do is to choose your aspect ratio. In this case, I'm using 9:16, okay? And then after you've chosen that, the next thing you will do is to adjust your video to come below the CapCut logo, okay? Of course, this CapCut logo, you can bring it below and to any other site, okay? Like if you click here now and go to watermark, you can see lower left, okay? Can you see it down here? Lower right, see it here. Upper right, see it up here, but we leave it at upper left for now, okay? So this is, if you are not using the CapCut Pro, you will have to find a way to discard the CapCut logo, and that's what we're trying to do, okay? So once we have put our video below the CapCut logo, the next thing, if we are done editing, is to export our video with the watermark. So let's export the video. So we are done exporting our video. Let's go to our gallery and play the video to see whether it still has the watermark, okay? So this is our phone gallery, and this is the video in question. Let me show you how you can navigate CapCut. So you can see that the watermark is still there, okay? Now we're going to be using TikTok, okay, to remove this watermark. So let's get to TikTok. All right, we are now on TikTok, okay? Let's click on the plus sign below to bring in the video. So we head over to our gallery. And here's the video. We'll bring it in. Let me show you how you can navigate. Let's reduce the volume so we can hear ourselves, okay? So the logo is still there. The CapCut watermark or logo is still up there, okay? All right, so here now, what we're going to do, we're going to be using this button below the settings button, okay? Click on it, click on the video, and then stretch this video till it reaches the edges, okay? Until the CapCut logo disappears. And that's it, okay? So the CapCut logo is no longer there. We are not yet done, okay? So let's return to the main area and then click the arrow button below to see the caption. We want to add caption to our video, okay? Click the caption and then select language, British English. That's what we want to use. All right, so it's done giving us a caption, but let's check to be sure that everything is correct. Okay, reading here, so let me show you how you can navigate CapCut watermark and caption fee and produce videos without watermark. Okay, but well captioned. Okay, it's well captioned. Sorry. Yeah, well captioned. That you can use on any social media platform. Let's see this, okay? So the next thing is to change the style if you want. So I like this one. Okay, so we can take it up and probably reduce it a bit. Okay, that's okay. So that's done. Okay, so we return to check what we've done. Okay, this is not looking straight. So you can adjust it until it is straightened. Okay, I think it's better now. You can still reduce this. You can reduce it further from here. Okay, okay, this is better. Okay, then let's go to next. Remember, we want to have this video to use it on any social media platform, okay? I'm not going to make this video public because it's a tutorial video. What's important now are the two things I want to do. First of all, let me remove it from public. So I click here and then only you, okay? The next thing, I'll go to this option that says more options, click on it, and then scroll. First of all, it should be at highest quality, that's it. Then save to device, make sure this is on, okay? Do not turn on this one that says save post with watermark, don't turn it on. So once this is done, hit on post. Now automatically this will post into my TikTok area, then a copy of it will be downloaded to my phone, okay? So let's see if it has posted. So here is the video. So it has posted on our TikTok page. Can you see it here? Okay. So let's get to our phone gallery to see if the video is there. Okay, so here is the video on our phone gallery with caption. Okay, so you can post this on any social media platform. Okay, do like, share, and follow for more.